Hey there, Excel learners. Welcome back to the channel where we make spreadsheets simple and powerful. If you're ready to level up your Excel skills and make your data not just readable, but visually stunning, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial that could save you time and boost your productivity. Let's get started by changing the font style in Excel. If you're using Excel 2007 or newer, you'll love how easy this is. Click on the cell you want to format, let's say cell A1, and head over to the font group on the ribbon. The default font is usually Calibri, but you can click the drop-down arrow to browse a wide range of fonts. Hovering over each one gives you a live preview. Pretty cool, right? Once you find one you like, click to apply it. You can adjust the font size the same way. Just use the size drop-down next to it. If you want more control, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group. That opens the Format Cells dialog box. From there you can customize font type, style, size, color, and even add text effects. Click OK when you're happy with your settings. Now let's add some color to your spreadsheet. Highlight the cells you want to format, like A2 to A5. Then go back to the font group and click the arrow next to the paint bucket icon. Excel will show you a variety of color options. Hover to preview and click to apply the one you like. Need more variety? Just click More Colors for expanded options. Next, select cell A1 and apply a contrasting background color to help it stand out as a header. This small tweak makes a big difference in clarity and style. Want to change the font color? Click the arrow next to the letter A icon, right beside the paint bucket. Pick a color the same way you did with the background. It's fast, easy, and helps your data pop. And just like that, your spreadsheet went from plain to polished in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment below with your favorite Excel tip, and of course, subscribe for more quick and easy Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.